Hi everyone. So in this folder you'll find things from all different categories: science, social studies, math, and they're all things that we have to accomplish before the year is over, and that we might not have time to review in good detail if depending on how long we're out of school. So it's really good to keep your brain fresh and keep the material on the front of your brain and kind of get some extra practice. In the math section, we don't have any customary measurement, which is the unit we were on when we had to stop face-to-face class. So I'm going to give you a little extension. It's a little bit harder than what we were doing in class, but definitely something that you need to know how to do. In our class, we always say, you always start with what you know. You always start with what you know. And so today we're going to be practicing finding how many feet or inches are in a problem where they give you both. And I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. So first of all, we're going to start with a problem that uses feet and yards. So in my mind, I think, what do I know? What fact do I know about feet and yards? And I remember that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So today we're going to try and solve the problem, how many feet are in 9 yards and 9 feet? So I'm looking to try and figure out how many feet do I have all together. I have 9 yards and 9 feet. Okay, so in order to solve this, you can do it a couple ways. If making a table is easy for you, then that's the way that you should go on and try to do it. So for example, I know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So if 1 yard equals 3 feet, then 2 yards equal 6 feet. And you keep going on and on. 3 yards, 9 feet, 4 yards, 12 feet, on and on. Or you can just say 9 times 3 is 27. So you can do a table or you can just do a multiplication problem. 9 times 3 is 27. So I know that in just my 9 yards, just this part of the problem, I have 27 feet. Is that my answer? No, not yet, because I still have 9 feet that I have to add. So 9 yards and 9 yards, there's 27 feet, but now I have to add those additional 9 feet, which gives me 36 feet altogether. So my answer should be 36 feet. Now, in some of the problems that you'll see as well, you might also see a problem that has to do with inches and feet. And again, you always start with what you know. You always start with what you know. So in your mind, you should think, what fact do I know about inches and feet? And your answer is, I know that 12 inches are in 1 foot. 12 inches in 1 foot. So if you get a problem like this, you always need to make sure that you remember 12 inches are in 1 foot. So you'll have to decide when you look at problems, okay, which fact do I need to know for this one? Inches and feet or yards and feet? So right underneath this video, I have attached a practice problem sheet for you to go through and try some of these problems on your own. If at any time you get stuck, I want you to think, okay, what fact do I know that will help me in this problem? If you see the words feet and inches, you need to think, okay, 12 inches are in 1 foot. If you see the words yards and feet, you should think 1 yard equals 3 feet. So if always making a table is the way that you solve it, then that's the way you should do it. Good luck.